In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Waze Live Map Destination Planner and enter your starting point. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is ready, go to the Waze Live Map Destination Planner page. You can do this by typing the website address into the address bar at the top of Chrome and pressing enter. Give the page a moment to load fully so all of the map tools and navigation options appear correctly on the screen. When the Waze Live Map page opens, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. This is where the navigation planning column is located. This panel is important because it contains the trip setup tools you'll use to build a route. If the map takes up most of the screen at first, that's completely normal. Just look along the left edge until you spot the planning section. Take a second to visually identify this area before moving on. The left side column is designed to help you enter trip details in an organized way, so getting familiar with its position will make the next step easier. If your browser window is too small or zoomed in, some elements may appear slightly compressed. If needed, maximize the browser window so the layout is clearer and easier to work with. Next, find the input text box labeled From or Starting Point. This field is where you'll enter the location your trip begins from. It's usually near the top of the planning column, making it one of the first interactive fields you'll see in that section. Once you've located it, click directly inside that input box. Make sure your cursor is active in the field so it's ready for text entry. A blinking text cursor should appear, confirming that the box is selected and ready for you to type. This step may seem simple, but it's important to click in the correct field, especially if there are multiple search or route options visible on the page. Selecting the proper starting point box ensures that the route planner understands where your trip begins rather than confusing it with a destination or another map search. At this point, you've successfully opened the Waze Live Map Destination Planner, identified the navigation planning column on the left side, and clicked into the From or Starting Point field. You're now ready for the next part of the route setup process.